So it's CVS Sunday, my favorite day of the week. New deals come out at CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, Amazon, all those cool places. And it is my favorite day of the week. First, to get all the deals. I do have a video for you to watch. It is how to coupon for the first time. Kind of gives you a checklist of the things you need to do, things you don't need to do. And as you'll find out, I am not a fan of paper coupons at all. I think that I pay more for the newspaper itself than I do for the coupons and what I save, especially where I live. I just bought 2 newspapers today. I got 3 inserts. They were very small, did not have many coupons in them, and I paid $8.50. I've saved $3 off of that so far. So whether or not I save any more, I have no idea, but I'm going to try and figure it out. So the video that I have posted is kind of a checklist to go through on Sundays. It'll teach you like the apps that I use. There'll be some referral codes in there too that you can use. But couponing is easy. Don't overthink it. Yes, it can be time consuming if you really get into it, but I typically only go for the deals that are easy, that are things that we use a lot of, like toothpaste, toothbrushes, like feminine products, pain relievers, deodorants, things like that you're literally throwing away the money. So I would rather save on those the most. Definitely paper products as well, and detergents. So those are the things that I typically go after. If I have to print coupons, I have to go to the store and buy a newspaper, I don't do it. I did it today because I thought, well, we'll see if things have changed. Nothing's changed. I spent $8.50 on 2 inserts. Like I said, I've saved $3 so far. It's not worth it to me. So I use other apps, and I'll explain those in my other videos, why I use those versus paper coupons and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to explain a couple of the runs that I'm going to do today. I just did my CVS run. I'm on my way to Rite Aid right now. So I will be posting all of my deals today.